Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode guys is the easiest, absolute easiest. Alright, as you know, okay, for all of you guys who have seen my video for a while, every mod is easy. But this one is really easy, okay, because guys, we have bought ourselves a new HUD, heads up display. Alright, so for those of you who have been in my channel for a while, you should know, okay, my F10 is really a super poverty spec. You know, it has no options, it has nothing, you know, it has really very basic options, okay, from the car when it was brand new. Right, and as you know, okay, I've been adding things to the car to make it a highly spec car, okay, with all the bits and pieces. Yep, so today's right, okay, we'll be adding a heads-up display. As you know, a heads-up display actually will help you, okay, focus better on the road. So you will be looking on the road, your eyes will be like this, but the thing is, you won't have to look down to the meter and look up on the road, down to the meter and look up to see what speed you are going, because you can focus your eyes on the road, just on the road, because the heads-up display is going to show you the information like the speed. This one has a few options, okay, I believe it has quite a few, okay, because when I bought it, I read it. Yeah, it seems quite good, but the thing is, now that it has arrived in my door, I have forgotten everything. Yeah, because I was, for those of you who have seen my vlog, I have been in Vietnam for 2 weeks. Yeah, so when I'm back, right, a lot of parts have actually reached my house, and that's why all these videos are coming up. Right, so for this one, okay, it has speed, of course, okay, it has fuel consumption, RPM alarm, you have a shift reminder, a 4-stage speed alarm, single stage speed alarm, brightness, water temperature alarm, voltage alarm, fatigue driving reminder. Whoa. Speed unit, water temperature unit, reference start voltage, power off time, clock calibration, yeah, and the last one is reset setting. And for those of you who are interested in this, alright guys, links are in the description down below. This is really cheap. I got it for about 20 plus Singapore dollars, which is, I would say, I think it will be less than 20 US dollars, okay, for those of you worldwide. Yep, so without further ado, we're going to start this one and show you how to fix it. Right, so let's go. Alright guys, as you can see, alright, the install is super easy. Yep, so you know, connecting to the OBD, easy. Connecting it to the heads-up display, easy. But hiding all the cable through that, right? Okay, it actually took me quite a while. I actually took about, I think, a solid 15 to 20 minutes just on the cable alone, because I want it to look as, you know, as factory as possible, because I do not want any loose wires, you know, hanging around, because it is not neat. Yep, and it won't be very nice on the car. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this product, check out the link in the description down below. All the links are there. Guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please smash the like button. Please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, so guys, stay safe, stay healthy, happy modding your car. Bye bye.